Hey guys, it's again Crystal. Guys, I'm back again in another video. Guys, please stay tuned for that one because I was really interested, real bad. It's about another YouTuber, guys. So just stay tuned for that one, guys, and don't go now.
No, we got fans out Atlanta. Come on, hit it one time. Hey, freak, she call on my line. Hey, light, use my slime. Come on, get go for time. Come on. What's the right that
Hey, what's up, guys? It's a girl, Chrissy. I'm back again with another video, guys, about another YouTuber, guys. Anyways, the vibes with Taki Taki. And I must hear about her. One face look away, man. No one to make over. So, anyways, guys, what may I say now? Me and the other YouTuber when him vibes with Taki Taki fall out. The reason why me and her fall out is that me and the girl are friend on Instagram and we always like I and whatever move on by. So when me text her for a couple of days me text her well no one me say me and guys if you always see me make video right here so it's because here so is like right here so it's like a little cool and chill spot to make me videos them guys so yeah guys so if you see me I make videos so all the time I just make little chill ends yeah what me I say now guys back to my argument now. So me text the girl and me tell the girl say me want she help me with my YouTube channel because she me just start my YouTube. Me tell her say me want she help me with my YouTube channel. This girl vibes with Taki Taki. This girl, yeah, give me the biggest embarrassment of my life. Of my life, I've never felt so embarrassed yet. Never a biggest one that. Yeah, and me don't see if she me no business if she wants to see that video here and come back at me because that's why I do it. That's why I do it. So you know she see it and feel like say yeah, she want we put it down pan YouTube, we will put it down on YouTube. Guys, me don't like how some of the YouTubers stay guys. You see two them get famous or half famous or what, them fi always remember where them a come from. Them have to remember say when them just start them channel or somebody did help them with for them channel too. So if you see a little small YouTuber you can give a helping hand, give a helping hand. You know, not saying that if you do it for free, I do it for whatever. And sometimes they never have to really take any money either. You don't have to take the money either. You understand? Because if una guys never give them a go ahead, them una den away. Them una den away. You have some of the big YouTuber them love hype to and that me don't like. You know, them don't remember where them a come from because when them just start them channel, or somebody help them to it feed them channel, so they always remember where them a come from. Always remember where I come from. And all the girl have to say is that, you know, tell me say you cannot do it then or you charge me if you do it. Instead you go come and you go embarrass me. You don't do that. You don't do that. You understand? And guys, me not gonna really make the video too long anyways, guys. Me not gonna really to make the video long. But just the one come tap my mind on YouTube about that girl, the Taki Taki, vibes with Taki Taki. Yes. You know? You cannot forget, say are the same people and make when they up there. You know? Don't forget that. You don't forget it too quick. You don't forget it too easy. You know? And guys, as me say, me just want to come clarify that little shit here on YouTube still. So guys, just please support my channel guys. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, share, comment, hit the notification bell guys. As me not really too sling son, but if the girl answer me, I go come back at her. Me I go come back on her, so and try look out for it. So guys, me just want to make you know what's on my mind about this YouTuber and make vibes with Taki Taki get something clear in her head. So when time she deal with people, she must know who to deal with and who to embarrass and who to class. So guys, anyway, as me say, I'm not gonna make this video long guys, so just please guys, just subscribe to my channel guys, share it, like it, comment, and yeah. So guys, again, thanks for watching, and guys, I hope you support my channel. I'm out.